Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to today's fascinating Islamic quiz, The Hidden Science in the Quran. Are you ready to test your knowledge and discover mind-blowing facts from the Holy Book? Let's see if you can answer these scientific mysteries mentioned in the Quran. Here's how it works. We'll ask a question, give you 4 options, and you have 10 seconds to think before we reveal the answer. Get your score ready and challenge yourself. Let's begin. Bismillah. Question 1. What is the Quranic term used to describe the expanding universe? A. Sama. B. Falaq. C. Masi'un. D. Kawkab. The correct answer is C. Masi'un. In Surah Ad-Dariyat 51:47, Allah states, "We have built the heaven with might, and we are expanding it." This aligns with Edwin Hubble's discovery of the expanding universe. Question 2. Which celestial object does the Quran compare to a lamp? A. The moon. B. The sun. C. A star. D. A comet. The correct answer is B. The sun. In Surah Nuh 71:16, Allah describes the sun as a shining lamp, siraj. Modern science confirms that the sun produces its own light, whereas the moon reflects light, exactly as the Quran states. Question 3. Which surah mentions that the seas will boil over on the Day of Judgment? A. Surah At-Takwir. B. Surah Al-Zalzala. C. Surah Al-Rahman. D. Surah Al-Infitar. The correct answer is A. Surah At-Takwir. Surah At-Takwir 81:6 states, "When the seas boil over." Scientists confirm that extreme heat could cause the ocean to evaporate, an astonishing link to modern climate science. Question 4. What does the Quran compare human fingerprints to? A. Unique leaf patterns. B. Mountains. C. Stars. D. Nothing, but it mentions them specifically. The correct answer is D. Nothing, but it mentions them specifically. In Surah Al-Qiyamah 75:3-4, Allah mentions recreating fingerprints hinting at their uniqueness, which modern forensic science confirms. Question 5. Which surah mentions the protective function of the atmosphere? A. Surah Al-Anbiya. B. Surah Al-Mulk. C. Surah Al-Waqi'ah. D. Surah Al-A'raf. The correct answer is A. Surah Al-Anbiya. In Surah Al-Anbiya 21:32, Allah describes the sky as a protected ceiling. Scientists confirm that Earth's atmosphere shields us from harmful radiation and space debris. Question 6. Which part of the human body is scientifically proven to control decision-making, as mentioned in the Quran? A. The heart. B. The brain's frontal lobe. C. The spine. D. The liver. The correct answer is B. The brain's frontal lobe. Surah Al-Alaq 96:15-16 refers to the lying, sinful forehead. Neuroscience confirms that the frontal lobe controls decision-making and behavior. Question 7. Which metal is mentioned in the Quran as being sent down from the heavens? A. Iron. B. Gold. C. Copper. D. Silver. The correct answer is A. Iron. In Surah Al-Hadid 57:25, Allah says, "And we sent down iron with great might." Scientists confirm that iron originates from supernova explosions in space. Question 8. Which celestial body does the Quran describe as following an exact preordained path? A. The moon. B. The earth. C. The sun. D. All of the above. The correct answer is D, all of the above. Surah Yasin, 36:38-40, describes the sun and moon orbiting in precise paths, an established fact in astronomy. Question 9. What is the Quranic term for the layers of the sky? A. Sabah samawat. B. Al-Athmos. C. Darajat sama. D. Ar-Riqab. The correct answer is A. Sabah samawat. In Surah Al-Mulk, 67.3, Allah mentions 7 heavens. Science confirms multiple atmospheric layers: troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, exosphere, ionosphere, and magnetosphere. Question 10. What shape does the Quran describe the earth as? A. Flat. B. Oval. C. Sphere-like. D. Unknown. The correct answer is C. Sphere-like. Surah Az-Zumar, 39:5, states that Allah wraps the night around the day, implying a spherical shape, which matches modern understanding of Earth's form. Question 11. Which surah mentions that everything in the universe is in motion? A. Surah Yasin. B. Surah Al-Anbiya. C. Surah Az-Zariyat. D. Surah Al-Baqarah. The correct answer is C. Surah Az-Zariyat. Surah Az-Zariyat, 51:7, refers to the well-woven sky, hinting at cosmic motion, which aligns with Einstein's theory of an expanding universe. Question 12. What Quranic term describes the creation of everything in pairs? A. Azwaj. B. Sawab. C. Ahad. D. Taqdir. The correct answer is A. Azwaj. Surah Adh-Dhariyat, 51:49, states that Allah created everything in pairs. Science now recognizes the dual nature of matter and energy, including male-female reproduction in biology. Question 13. Which surah mentions the protective nature of the ozone layer? A. Surah Al-Mu'minun. B. Surah An-Naba. C. Surah Al-Anbiya. D. Surah Al-Mulk. The correct answer is D. Surah Al-Mulk. Surah Al-Mulk, 67:5, describes the sky's protective function, which scientists now attribute to the ozone layer's shielding properties. Question 14. Which Quranic word is used to describe milk production in cattle? A. Nahr. B. Laban. C. Halal. D. Sharab. The correct answer is B. Laban. Surah An-Nahl, 1666, describes how milk forms in the bodies of cattle, a process confirmed by modern biology. Question 15. Which scientific process does the Quran describe as the barrier between saltwater and freshwater? A. Osmosis. B. Thermocline. C. Estuarina mixing. D. Halocline. The correct answer is D. Halocline. Surah Al-Furqan, 25:53, describes a barrier between saltwater and freshwater. Scientists later identified this as the halocline, a natural separation in ocean waters due to density differences. Question 16. What natural event does the Quran describe as splitting the earth? A. Earthquakes. B. Landslides. C. Erosion. D. Volcanoes. The correct answer is A. Earthquakes. Surah Zalzala, 99.1, describes how the earth will shake with its final earthquake. Today, seismology confirms the ongoing shifting of Earth's crust through tectonic activity. Question 17. Which Quranic term refers to human creation from a clinging clot? A. Mudgha, B. Nutfa, C. Alaqa, D. Tasneem. The correct answer is C. Alaqa. In Surah Al-Alaq 96:2, Allah describes human creation from alaqa, meaning a clinging clot. This matches modern embryology, which shows the early embryo clings to the uterine wall. Question 18. What Quranic phrase describes the protective function of the atmosphere? A. A firm canopy. B. A shelter of light. C. A veil of darkness. D. A floating dome. The correct answer is A. A firm canopy. Surah Al-Anbiya 21:32 refers to the sky as a protected ceiling. Scientists confirm that the Earth's atmosphere shields us from harmful cosmic radiation and meteoroids. Question 19. Which process, described in the Quran, explains the formation of rain? A. The water cycle. B. Condensation reaction. C. Oceanic evaporation. D. Seasonal moisture. The correct answer is A. The water cycle. Surah Az-Zumar 39:21 details how water is sent down, absorbed into the earth, and used for vegetation. This perfectly describes the water cycle evaporation, condensation, and precipitation. Question 20. Which celestial body does the Quran describe as having a reflected light? A. The sun. B. The moon. C. Venus. D. Mars. The correct answer is B. The moon. Surah Al-Furqan 25:61 calls the moon a reflected light, nur, and the sun a radiant lamp, siraj. This distinction was confirmed by modern science. The moon does not emit light but reflects the sun's rays. Subhanallah. The Quran is filled with amazing scientific facts that were only confirmed centuries later. How many did you get right? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this quiz, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating Islamic knowledge. Until next time, may Allah bless you with wisdom and understanding. Assalamu alaikum.